Tired of buying tools that promise results but still don't make you money? Between writing scripts, creating videos, posting content, and driving traffic, most people quit. AIDirectors claims to turn that entire process into one simple click. This new one-click AI business builder launches 3 complete businesses for you, even if you have no experience and no followers. All you have to do is upload any product image or link and watch as AIDirectors writes the script, creates realistic UGC videos, adds voiceover, builds your ads, and even drives traffic. With your purchase, you also get bonuses included, such as a commercial license, an additional 100 videos, and bonus training. AIDirectors is cloud-based and works on Mac, Windows, and tablets, and it comes with a 14-day money-back guarantee. According to the page, 153 beta testers rated it 4.8 out of 5 stars. One user says they created 12 product videos in one weekend, increased their conversion rate from 2.1% to 4.8%, and saw sales go up 127% in a single month. Another user shared that they went from making $800 per month to $3,400 after switching to AI video reviews without ever showing their face. Right now, you can grab instant access to AIDirectors with a 73% launch special discount. There are no monthly fees, and you get instant access with a one-time payment. AIDirectors is not just a tool. It's a 3-in-1 business model designed to generate revenue from day one. Most AI video tools sell you software and leave you to figure out how to make money with it. AIDirectors is different. You're not just getting a video creation platform, you're getting 3 proven and profitable business models already built in and ready to generate income. Think of it like this. Most people buy a tool and then ask, okay, now what do I do with this? With AIDirectors, you're handed 3 complete roadmaps to cash. You can pick one, pick 2, or run all 3 at the same time. The first business model is the affiliate income machine. You simply pick any hot-selling product from affiliate networks like ClickBank, Amazon Associates, JVZoo, or Warrior Plus. Then you drop the product image into AIDirectors. The AI creates a realistic UGC-style review video with a spokesperson. You post that video on TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube with your affiliate link, and you collect commissions when viewers click and buy. The best part is that you don't need inventory, shipping, customer service, or even your own product. You're just creating videos that sell other people's products, and you keep 50 to 75% commissions. One real example shown here is Marcus, who created 23 affiliate review videos in 1 month. His commissions went from $800 to $3,400 without showing his face even once. If you want to lock in the launch discount before the price increases, click the link in the description. Get instant access to AIDirectors with a one-time payment, no monthly fees, and start building AI-powered video businesses today.